my friends. Welcome back to English Speaking Confidence. I am Alex Tadavi. We'll talk about forgetting English words. Let me ask you something. Have you felt this before? You learn a new word, you understand it, you feel happy, but one day later or 2 days later, the word is gone. You think, I learned this word before, but I cannot remember it now. If this happens to you, you are not stupid. You are not bad at English, and you are not alone. This happens to everyone today. I will show you simple ways to stop forgetting English words. Easy ways, small ways that work in real life. First, let us understand why we forget words. This is very important. We forget words, not because we are bad learners. We forget words because of how the brain works. Brain is like a muscle. If you use it, it becomes strong. If you do not use it, it becomes weak. When you learn a word one time, your brain says, this is new, but your brain also asks, is this important if the word does not come back? Your brain thinks, I will delete it. This is normally a brain wants to save energy. It keeps only what it thinks is useful. So listen carefully. Forgetting words is normal. Forgetting words means your brain is working. The solution is not learning more words. The solution is meeting the same word again and again. Many learners make this mistake. They try to learn too many words. 10 words a day, 20 words a day, 50 words a day. They feel busy. They feel productive, but their brain feels tired, and tired brains forget. Here is a better idea. Learn one word, meet it many times. Let us take a simple word. Morning. You already know this word. You do not need 10 new words today. You need good morning, morning coffee, morning routine, in the morning, a morning person, the same word in different places. Your brain says this word is important and your brain keeps it. Now listen carefully. Words do not like to be alone. Word alone is weak and easy to forget. Listen to this word. Cold. What? Cold weather, cold water, cold coffee, cold hands. Now your brain feels confused. The word is not clear, but listen again with sentence. It is cold today. I like cold water. My hands are cold. Now the word feels clear. It feels real. This is called context. Context means the situation of the word, how the word lives in real life. Context helps your brain remember. So remember this rule. Never learn a word alone. Always learn the word in a sentence. In a sentence gives the word a home. Do something brave. Say words out loud. Not in your head, not silently, out loud. Your ears hear your voice, your brain listens again. This makes memory stronger. Let us try together. Listen first. Thai. Drink water in the morning. Now say it with me. Solely, I drink water in the morning. Again, drink water in the morning. Very good. Every time you speak in memory becomes stronger. Listening is good. Speaking is better. Listening and speaking together help you remember English. Now listen to this. You do not need long study time. You do not need 1 hour. You do not need 2 hours. Study makes the brain tired. A tired brain forgets. Your brain loves short time. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but every day. This is very important. One word today. 5 minutes in the morning, stop 5 minutes at night. See the word again. This is called spaced repetition. Spaced means there is space. Repetition means you see it again. First time, the word is new. Second time, it feels familiar. Third time, it feels easy. This is how memory grows. 5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 5 minutes the next day. This is better than one long day. Remember this rule. Short time is good. Many days is better. Small steps every day build strong English. Now listen carefully. Forgetting is not failure. Forgetting is part of learning. You are learning English. You are growing. You will forget words. This is normal. What matters is not speed. What matters is continuing small steps. Every day your English is not lost. It is building slowly, quietly, strongly. Thank you for listening to English Speaking Confidence. I am Alex. Please subscribe to the channel. If you want more English learning stories, please comment below. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you next time.